Hello and welcome to the Simple Step Show. And today I'm going to show you how to duplicate a page in Notion. So duplicating a page is useful when you want to reuse a layout. Maybe copy notes or start from something you've already built instead of, starting from scratch. So first, you're going to want to find the page that you want to duplicate. You can, if the page is open, you can simply click the three dots up here, click duplicate, and you'll see notes with the 1 has come next to it. So I can say notes next week. Now I've got my two duplicate subpages there. Now, if I want, I can also just go in on the left navigation here and click into that, click duplicate after a right click. And again, I've got my page duplicated. So a helpful tip for beginners is to duplicate pages when you want to experiment, right? So think of it this way. You can test changes without worrying about breaking the original page, right? So if you want to do something new and you're not sure it's going to work correctly or not yet, this is a really simple way to kind of A/B test as to what page is going to work best for you. And that is how you duplicate a page in Notion. Thanks for watching.